Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is a continuation of Mussoorie episode 1 video. In episode 1 we had travelled till the Lai Hills, and in this video we will take you to a beautiful attractive place which is just 3 kilometers away from the Mall Road. Atal Udyan is a scenic park offering visitors a tranquil escape surrounded by nature. The park features well-maintained garden, walking trails and various recreational areas, making it an ideal spot for families and tourists seeking relaxation or outdoor activities. With its lush greenery and picturesque views of the surrounding hills, Atal Udyan serves as a perfect location for picnics, leisurely strolls, and appreciating the beauty of the Dehradun Valley. The famous destination of Mussoorie, the Company Gardens, has been renamed Atal Udyan after 182 years. The Company Garden was established in 1842 by Dr. H. Farner during British rule. The garden features colorful flower beds, a small artificial waterfall, boating ponds, mini amusement park for kids, food stalls offering local snacks and souvenirs, a clean walking path. Visit early in the morning or on weekdays to avoid crowd during peak seasons. Bring cash as there might not be UPI payment option available for tickets. July to September sees heavy rainfall in Mussoorie, which can limit outdoor time and make paved surface slippery. Late December to January can be quite cold and foggy mornings may reduce valley visibility. The best time to visit is from March to June and October to November. Entry fee is Rs 50 per person from 9 am to 6 pm. Now we will be going to a very beautiful place in Mussoorie, the George Everest House and the trek to go to the house. The George Everest House trek is a short, beginner-friendly hike. The trek from Hathi Paw Chowk base to the George Everest House is about 1 to 1.5 kilometers, and it takes roughly 30 to 45 minutes walk. The trek is undoubtedly a treasure trove of biodiversity. The trail is filled with rhododendron trees on either sides from Hathi Paw Chowk to George Everest House. The hill town of Mussoorie boasts many attractions. The George Everest House is one that you should definitely not miss. Sir George Everest distinguished himself as the Surveyor General of India in the 1930s and oversaw the accurate measurement. He completed the task of accurately measuring the world's highest peak. The peak, previously known as Peak 15, was famously renamed Mount Everest in his honor. Today, the house has been repurposed into a museum and observatory. The best time to visit is from April to June and September to November. The skies are generally clear, providing excellent visibility for the panoramic view of the Himalayan peak from the house. Built in 1832, George Everest House surrounds an air of serenity and nostalgia from the bygone era. The surrounding views are spectacular, with the scenic Doon Valley on one side, the river valley Aglar on the other side, and the majestic Himalayan peak to the north. While returning back from the George Everest House, we came across this beautiful place which is known as Mini Pahalgam of Mussoorie. This is present on the Hathi Paw Chowk. This being a private property, normal people are not allowed to enter after a certain point. Photo shoots are allowed at extra cost. Dhanolti, a tranquil hill station in Uttarakhand, is a hidden gem known for its lush green landscapes, cool climate, and breathtaking views of the Himalayas. Nestled at an altitude of 2,240 meters, Dhanolti is a perfect gateway for both nature lovers, adventure enthusiastic, and families seeking a peaceful escape from the hustle and the bustle of city life. The highlights of Dhanolti is the Eco Park, which is designed to promote environmental awareness while offering visitors a chance to reconnect with nature. Dhanolti Eco Park is spread over an area of 13 hectares and features a variety of flora and fauna. The park is maintained by the Forest Department of Uttarakhand and is a perfect blend of natural beauty and eco-friendly initiatives. The park is home to a variety of trees including deodar, oak, and rhododendrons, which create a stunning backdrop for a leisurely stroll. The park is not just about beautiful scenery, it also serves as an educational space where visitors can learn about the local ecosystem and the importance of conservation. With its serene ambience and clean environment, Dhanolti Eco Park offers a perfect retreat for those looking to escape the chaos of urban life. Take leisurely strolls through the Eco Park and enjoy the serene beauty of the pine and deodar forest. Capture breathtaking views of the mountains and valleys, especially during sunrise and sunset. Spend a night under the stars while camping in the beautiful natural surrounding. Engage in thrilling activities at the Dhanolti Adventure Park such as zip lining and rock climbing. Mussoorie has long been known as the Queen of the Hills. Mussoorie as a resort was established in 1825 by Captain Frederick Young, a British military officer. In 1832, Mussoorie was the intended terminus of the Great Trigonometrical Survey of India. Tourism, concentrated during summer and winter, is the most significant segment of the Mussoorie economy.